So let's start it. So first we'll just type in how to apply PAN card online, and it will show you two websites. So we'll have to click on nsdl.com, which is the government registered website for online PAN application. After opening that, you will get two options, that is apply online and continue with the application. So since we are applying for the first time, we'll just click on apply online. And moving to application type, there are three options, that is new PAN Indian citizen, new PAN foreign citizen, changes for correction in existing PAN data, or reprint of PAN card. So I'll just select the new PAN Indian citizen form 49A, and in the category I'll select individual in my case. And moving to applicant information, I'll select the title Kumari for me. You can also select Shri for male people, Srimati for married women, and Kumari for unmarried women. And selecting Kumari, my surname is Chaudhary, so I'm filling in that. I will also mention my first name, that is Himanshi. Since I don't have any middle name, I'm leaving that. I'm mentioning my date of birth, that is 14th May 2005, and I've also filled in my email ID along with my mobile number. After filling all these details, I will just click on the given below checkbox, which says to give your consent for all the data you have mentioned above to be used for the following purpose. And I will just fill in the captcha code and click on submit. And after clicking on submit, this page will appear which says thank you for using online PAN service of Protean, and it will give you a token number. Also, it will be sent on your email ID for further tracking purpose and application purpose. Now we'll just continue with the remaining application form. So now this page gives you three options to submit your documents, that is paperless method, digital method, or the physical method. So I'll just do the paperless method, which has the following instructions, that is the Aadhaar is a mandate thing to match your full name, date of birth, and gender, and it will also authenticate the Aadhaar by sending the OTP to your number or email ID. And in this method, there is no need to upload photo or sign or any supporting document, and also the photo on the Aadhaar card will be printed on your PAN card. So this is the whole process, and also this facility is not available for minor applicants or the applicants who have representative SEs. So moving further, you have to click on the physical PAN card, that is yes. I have clicked on yes, and these are the fees for the Indian address and the foreign address. And now we have to fill in the last four digits of our Aadhaar card. So you can do that. I have filled in digit for example, and I have agreed to put my photograph on the PAN card same as my Aadhaar card. So now I'm just checking in all my details, and I'm selecting my gender, that is female. And now I'll fill in all the details of my parents, that is my father's surname Chaudhary and his first name Gaurav. And filling your mother's name is optional, but still I'm filling in it. And for my mother's name is Chaudhary and first name is Shalu. So I also want the father's name to be printed on the PAN card, so I'm going to the next option. And now it says source of income, so I'm not earning anything right now, so I'll just put in no income. And address for communication, it has taken automatically as residence by Aadhaar card, and if you want to put it as office, you can click on that and you can mention your office address as well. And area STD code will be 121010, and my telephone number I have already mentioned that, and email ID is also already mentioned. Means someone who is a legal representative for you. So I don't have such a thing, so I'll just put no over here, and I'll just move to the next option for the area code, AO type, and range code. So now this is a new thing, and it was also new for me, but I'll let you know how to put it. These four blanks will be filled in through another website of NSDL, which will tell you all the details very easily. You can find them very easily. I'll just let you know. So this is this site for, and if you type this area code for PAN card, you will get this site. You just have to click on it, and if you scroll down, you will see the search for cities, and I'll click on Delhi, so D, and I'll just click on Delhi, and you can get all the area codes and the AO type and range code according to the city or the area which you reside in. So you can just fill it here, or if you want an easier way out to not search it over here, you can just go on to Google and just type your AO code and type the area which you reside in, and you will get this area code, and you will just match it with this site, and then you can just fill it in on the NSDL website where we were applying for PAN. And this process is very easy and you can just find it easily, and if you are not able to do so, you can just comment down and help you anytime. So that's this process over here, and you'll just easily get all 4 of these. So right now I'm not filling anything, and also they have also mentioned for help of an area code, select the following. So I'm selecting Indian citizen, and in the state I'm selecting Delhi, and for Delhi, it's saying Delhi. So I'll select Delhi, and city also I selected Delhi. So it will automatically show you this table which I showed you earlier on the another website. So it's easier, it's not a difficult thing. You can just Google it up and you can just compare it and fill it in. So now it is asking for your POA and DOB. So for all of these I have submitted my Aadhaar card, and I have also provided the declaration that I, Himanshi Chaudhary, applicant in the capacity of him or herself, do hereby declare that what is stated above is true to the best of my or our information and belief. So place I am just putting in New Delhi. So, I think I should put Delhi. So I'll remove the new, and it is again asking to save your things, so it will be easier. So it will not let me submit it because I have not filled in the AO codes. So I'll just put in the AO codes which I showed you right now for example only. So I'll just fill it in DEL W 3 1 and 1. So I'll just fill it in and we'll just move further. I just have to scroll down and put this also. So I'll just scroll down. I think it is very below, so I'll just have to scroll down. So I'll have to scroll down a lot to find this option. It's like a lot of options, so you just have to check it thoroughly. Yeah, I found it, and I'll just click it and then we'll move further. Okay, I have clicked on that. Now I'll just click submit. After that it says your application is submitted, please confirm the details. So I'll just check over all my details, and earlier we filled in the last 4 digits of the Aadhaar card. Now it is asking to fill in the first 8 digits. Fill in all the details of the Aadhaar, that is so it's just a imaginary number, it's not real. So I'll just fill it in and I'll just check all my details mentioned below. So my details are all fine, and moving further I am just checking that yes, photo on the Aadhaar card, PAN card are same, physical PAN card is required, yes, known by other name, no, details of parents already filled in and I have checked that, it's okay, and I have my father's name on the PAN card to be printed, and contact and other details, no income, residential, all that is fine because I already filled in that thoroughly. So yeah, it's all done, and telephone number and email ID is also done. I've clicked no for representative Z's, it's done. AO code I've just filled in for that example, and document details are also fine, all that is good till now. So I'll just move further with that. Yeah, proceed. So now I think we'll get the payment gateway. Yeah, so the online payment can be made through DD or the online payment platforms like Paytm or cards and on any other platform. So I'll just click on that, the Paytm thing, and these are the charges, and it is a total of 106.90 rupees, so it's like almost 107 rupees. So I'll just click on the checkbox and we'll move further. So yeah, proceed to payment. So it will open this desk and pay confirm. It will show you how much is the amount and transaction ID. So this gateway can open and you can just scan or just put all these details and you can just pay the amount and proceed further. After doing the payment, which I've already done, so it is just an example, it will send you a mail for the confirmation and with the token number, and this token number can be further used for your tracking purpose and for the application purpose. And after some time you will receive another mail which is as follows, which will tell you the acknowledgement number and all the details which you have filled in. And it will also tell you if you have used the e-sign mode, there is no need for physical documents, and if you have made it through physical documents, then you need to submit the DD and the documents mentioned. After some time you will get another mail mentioning the PAN number allotted to you, and for the PDF file which you will be able to download from the website itself is the DDMMYY format, and it has mentioned some rules and payment and some I think laws regarding the PAN card. So that's it for all this video, and this was the whole process of the PAN card application. And